I need a little help, please. Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Can I take your order?
Watch them in the mouth!
My name is Lecture construction worker. You done already gave me my order about 24 hours ago. I ordered myself a milkshake. So, and you done gave me one of these Good Burgers here on accidentally. So, okay.
Will it blend? That is the question.
Let's drop!
One good shake.
One of these days, you idiots are gonna laugh yourselves to death! Let's go!